CLU fundraiser, and Molly Ivins spoke, and she had said that Maury Maverick Jr. had taught her a lesson, and that was, when battling for civil rights, never lose your sense of humor, because when you do, they win. And so that's why I was encouraging, that we do a creative response to that. Now, my little response that I sent out on an email the other day is that art, it's a religion. Genesis 1:1, and that's what I want to be like, the kind of posters that we would bring to, stand on the other side of the street of Frank Phelps and just laugh and hoot and carry on. Because, if you get mad at them, and they did win that Supreme Court thing, which is, I think, going to the U.S. Supreme Court, and then they just went to the mine catastrophe, the coal mine.
Right, West Virginia.
And are protesting there. So it shows you how, and the thing is that I was thinking the other day, well, Frank Phelps is actually outdoing the contemporary artists. He's getting all kind of national attention. He's going to the Supreme Court. He's like everywhere. He's winning the battles. It's like he's a perfect person to examine and study for the arts if we want to win our battles,